Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 511. 20 popular proverbs for English learners. Beginner. Proverbs are short sayings that teach us lessons or share wisdom. They are easy to remember and often used in everyday English. Here are 20 popular proverbs with simple explanations for beginner English learners. Read along and listen as I share these pearls of wisdom. A penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money is as good as earning it. Be careful with your money. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. All that glitters is not gold. Things that look nice are not always valuable or good. Beggars can't be choosers. If you need help, you must accept what is offered. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not do it at all. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't decide something is good or bad just by how it looks. Every cloud has a silver lining. Even in bad times, there is something good. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A true friend helps when you are in trouble. Honesty is the best policy. Telling the truth is always the best choice. It takes two to tango. Some things need two people to work together. Look before you leap. Think carefully before you act. Practice makes perfect. Doing something many times makes you better at it. The early bird catches the worm. People who start early get the best results. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many people working on something can ruin it. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Follow the customs of the place you are in. A stitch in time saves 9. Fix a small problem now to avoid a bigger one later. Birds of a feather flock together. People who are similar often stay together. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk everything on one plan. Every dog has its day. Everyone gets a chance to succeed. The grass is always greener on the other side. People think other situations are better than their own. Vocabulary notes. Wisdom, noun. Meaning, knowledge and good judgment gained through experience, knowing what is right or sensible. Example sentences. The Proverbs teach us wisdom about life. Her wisdom helped her make the right choice. Similar words. Knowledge, information or understanding you learn. Example, he has a lot of knowledge about history. Insight, the ability to understand something deeply. Example, she has great insight into people's feelings. Understanding, the ability to know or grasp something. Example, his understanding of the problem was clear. Honesty, noun. Meaning, telling the truth and being fair, not lying or cheating. Example sentences. Honesty is the best policy when you make a mistake. People trust her because of her honesty. Similar words. Truthfulness, the quality of always telling the truth. Example, his truthfulness made everyone respect him. Sincerity, being genuine and honest in your feelings. Example, she spoke with sincerity about her dreams. Integrity, being honest and having strong moral principles. Example, his integrity made him a great leader. Action, noun. Meaning, something you do, the act of doing something. Example sentences. Actions speak louder than words, so show your love by helping. His quick action saved the day. Similar words. Deed, an act or something you do. Example, her kind deed helped the old man. Effort, trying hard to do something. Example, she put a lot of effort into her work. Activity, something you do, often with energy. Example, the activity of cleaning took all morning. Judgment, noun, meaning the ability to make decisions or form opinions wisely. Example sentences, don't judge a book by its cover, use good judgment. Her judgment about the project was correct. Similar words, opinion, what you think about something. Example, my opinion is that we should wait. Decision, a choice you make after thinking. Example, his decision to leave was surprising. Discernment, the ability to judge well. Example, her discernment helped her choose wisely. Custom, noun, meaning a tradition or habit that people in a place follow. Example sentences, when in Rome, do as the Romans do and follow their customs. It's a custom to shake hands when you meet someone. Similar words, tradition, a belief or practice passed down over time. Example, it's a tradition to celebrate New Year. Habit, something you do regularly. Example, brushing her teeth is a daily habit. Practice, a way of doing something, often repeated. Example, it's their practice to eat dinner together. Risk, noun, meaning the chance of something bad happening when you try something. Example sentences, don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread the risk. Starting a new business is a big risk. Similar words, danger, something that could harm you. Example, the storm was a danger to the sailors. Hazard, something that could cause harm. Example, wet floors are a hazard in the shop. Gamble, taking a chance, often with uncertainty. Example, investing all his money was a gamble. Story written by Grok 3 AI. Image created by Grok 3 AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.
Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.